Guys, today is about the 14th of March, I believe. We have had an early spring so far, and because of that, we've got more grass than usual this time of year, and we are going to celebrate by turning our cows out on grass. They're going to love this. After that dry hay all winter, this is going to taste like steak. We've got Mildred and Donna. They are taking big bites as they make their way through the electric fence gates into the pasture that we have prepared for them. Go on, girls.
Ruth, I need your help.
I know.
Come up on her.
Come on, Donna Do. You can get a mouthful out there as well. Come on, Bubba. Come on. Careful, careful. We do not want them running through the fence.
Get on out of it.
Yeah, good girls. Uh-oh. We don't like them frolicking because they go right through that electric fence before they find it. There, they finally stop. They'll usually go all the way around the perimeter, figure out where the perimeter is, and then they kind of calm down. But they are hungry enough. Hopefully that won't take very long. Donna and Mildred dining sumptuously on spring grass. And pretty soon we're going to turn out the Highlands into the next cell over, but probably not today. We'll let these guys calm down before we let any more out.
Okay, get them out of here.
I think they like our spring grass. What do you think? Yeah, they like it a lot. And kind of we like it too. Thanks for joining us. Catch you next time here at Born in a Barn. Woo! There she is.